Hey guys, Brian Williams here at Jim's RV Center. Today we're looking at a used 2014 Spree Escape. It's a 196 model. Nice little bunk unit. You can tow it with just about anything. As you can see, all fiberglass exterior, easier to keep clean, better insulated. You also got a nice flip up front window that's going to let a lot of natural light in, and your diamond plate here on the front. It does have the pass-through storage and a manual awning. And it has the nice aluminum wheels here on the outside too. We'll step in. It's actually very, very spacious for a smaller unit. You've got your two single bunks here in the back. There's also some storage right next to it. And to my left here is your bathroom. Let's take a peek in there. Quite a bit of space for a corner bath. Not a bad setup at all. We'll turn around. As you can see, you've got your Norcold refrigerator here. There's a spot to hook up a television right above that. It's actually got a nice little slide out here for your U-shaped dinette. And it's kind of surprising because this unit's only 2,900 pounds. That's very hard to come by in something with a slide. This really gives you a lot of extra space, and it's going to give you some extra sleeping capacity too. And right here behind me is your master bed. It's nothing that you have to make up or make down. It's there. Plenty of storage over top of it, AM/FM CD player, and then you've got your kitchenette. You'll see a little storage over top, some cabinets beneath, your furnace right beneath that, sink, 2-range burner, microwave. It's got everything you need to start camping, and you can tow it with just about anything. Small SUV, a small pickup. Stop in to Jim's RV Center. More fun, less money.